Okay, Mr. Van Sickle, let's see if this little video would help you and clarify. All right, the assignment is asking you to design a new database. All right, you're only in the designing phase, not the creating phase. When you looked at the assignment and you did the model assignment through the OER, our online textbook, that gave you all the definitions. That gave you what a database is, what the fields are, what are records, all of that terminology in the database. You're not creating a database. All right. So right now you are designing a database, and you're choosing. You can choose either a library or a charity. Read what's inside of a library. You are hired by the psychology department, etc. Charity, you are helping a small charity group that is growing quickly. Tech support, you start a consulting business. Bakery, your cousin has started to take custom orders for her delicious cakes, etc. Clubs, the student affairs office, which provides financial support to student clubs, ask for your help. Those are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scenarios. You have to choose one of those. One, only one. Now, your task: type the scenario you choose to create the database. List the tables. All right, you're listing the tables. You're not creating the tables. You're listing the tables with the fields you will need for your database. You must create at least 3 tables, because when you create the database, when you get the final product of the database, you're going to have to get queries from those tables. Indicate the primary and secondary keys for each of the tables. Again, the word primary, secondary, tables, fields, records at some later point, that is all in your online textbook. All right, and then you have examples. You're asking for models. Here are the examples: data fields, database tables and fields, database keys and relationships. So these examples help you to understand what you have to do. All right, you are typing this in a Word document. You are not creating the database. In your Word document, you are choosing one of the 5, okay, one of the 5 scenarios. Type the scenario you choose to create the database, not asking you for any rationale. Then the next thing you're going to do is list the tables with the fields you will need for your database. So if you're using the library, what fields do you think you're going to be using? Obviously, the table that you're going to create would be the books. All right, and also in the books, who's taken out the books, the date the books were taken, who took out the books. All right, that's what we mean by fields in the table. All right. The same thing with charity. What charity are we talking about? Are we giving money to the poor? Are we doing scholarships, etc., etc.? All right. So this is all typed in a Word document. It is not the database. All right. So if you still have problems, make sure that you ask me. Send me an email, because apparently our Blackboard Collaborate meetings are not convenient. And if you need more, then the next thing would be to meet via Blackboard Collaborate at a time that's convenient for you. Okay, Mr. Van Sickle, thank you very much. Bye-bye.